Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to find your Instagram profile URL link. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So you need to copy your username. Once you copied your username, please go to the browser and you need to type Instagram slash username. Type your username after slash. Yeah, this is my username. So once you type, please hit enter and you may see your account over there in the web. Please enter into the web. If it's opening Insta, please long press and open in new tab. Yeah, once you're done, your username will be opened on the web. You can click the HTTP or top search area and copy your username, and you can use it for any of the reasons. Yeah, I copied and pasted it in another tab to show you. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.